Get Elixir when defeated? Wait, what? That doesn't sound fair at all. Hold up. Get Elixir so I gain Elixir from this? What? How is he gonna defend? How's he gonna defend? Vines this? Oh my god, I'm actually getting Elixir from that. I'm actually getting Elixir from that. Look at the mortar! Oh. Wait, just spam down Elixir Golems. I'll just get endless Elixir. Okay, Elixir Golem is like the chuddiest way you could play. Furnace. Furnace doesn't move?